Hey y'all, welcome back. So for today I have an unboxing video for the Sea Monkeys Aqua-Maze. This is a vintage kit. You can see it's from 2000. It says it down there, also right here. Here's the back. The idea is that you put your sea monkeys in this little aqua maze, carry them with you, and it's a game that you play very similar to Operation. You have to follow the maze and not hit the edges. Otherwise it lights up, I believe. So it's unopened. I'm just going to go right for it. Whoops. Let's take a closer look. So here it is. Comes with an aqua leash. Our feeding spoon. Packet 1. Packet 2. Packet 3. Here's little booklets. Raising your sea monkeys and battery instructions. So this kit you do need a separate tank for. Here's our Aqua-Maze. I guess you start here. You have to try to make it all the way to the other side without touching the edge and making that light up. So I found this tiny screwdriver and I unscrewed this, went through the whole 9 yards of getting new batteries, and looks like it doesn't work. Unfortunately, it's not going to light up. I guess that's what 23 years does to you. But nonetheless, this is the cap right here that opens up. Put your sea monkeys in there. Make sure to close the cap back up. There you go, you can carry them around, hang out with them, open it up and play with your broken maze.